Hey everyone, it's the Mindful Travel Nurse back again. Your nurse that's on the go, always traveling, and also practicing mindfulness meditation. Today I want to thank the brand for sending me this complete meditation kit to try. Let's dive right in. First off, let's start with the meditation cushion. It is super comfortable. It is buckwheat hulls in the inside here, but on top, I want to point out that there is a super cushy layer of foam. So right where your sit bones go, you've got this super cushy memory foam, which I think is going to be super helpful for somebody who's trying to do longer practices or sit for longer periods of time. Of course, the mandala is super beautiful. It's got a handle that you can carry it with. And again, super soft. So that's the basis and foundation of our meditation kit. Next up, they've included a book on chakras with a history about chakras, meditation, a little bit about Buddhism, and then it dives like a deeper dive into what each chakra means. So you can read all through that and adjust your meditation practice accordingly. If you want to make one of these the intention, you can certainly do that. And then also gives you tips and tricks for affirmations, your main goals today, just all sorts of great ideas with how to get started using this for meditation. Next up is this lovely singing bowl. I really enjoy these, especially when I'm teaching a group class for meditation, because it's a very gentle, really lovely way to ring in and begin the practice as well as end the practice. And you can do it just by hitting the bowl, and it can just be like that. Or you can hit it and kind of take it around and kind of make that sound last longer or sing for a little bit. So I think that's a really nice touch. Next up is our Buddha. So I love this because it is going to run through the colors of each chakra. However, I really like the pattern and how it's slow. So you can practice breathing along with this, taking those nice, thoughtful, mindful, deepful breaths. And then also the aesthetic. I love the minimalist aesthetic here. Next up, we have a lavender infused pillow, which I think is great for body scan meditations or other meditations where you might choose to be lying down. Super soft. The outside is satin. And I love the weight of it as well, especially when you are trying to relax and practice meditation. I love that they included that. I think that's an amazing touch. Okay, as a mindfulness meditation instructor and practitioner, I really appreciated that they took the time to include all of these cards. Some of them are actual instructions for how to do different types of meditations. Others are more of like inspiration, but from the very beginning, meditate for 5 to 10 minutes each day. Consistency brings transformation. Emotional meditation, acknowledge your emotions, let them flow through you like water. I think that's a great tip. I'm also a big fan of naming emotions, just like naming it, whether it's anger or anxiety or love. Breathing meditation, it gives you instructions for that. Gratitude meditation, self-care meditation, energy meditation, just careful breathing. One of my favorites with my ADHD, love the walking meditation. I'm always moving, but I can still be grounded and focus on each step that my foot is taking on the floor. Self-connection, mindful words, relaxation meditation. That's where that lavender pillow might come into play. I think if I'm doing a relaxation meditation personally, I'm not going to sit lotus style. I'm going to lay down. Box breathing, affirmation meditation, body scan meditation, visualization, letting go, balance meditation, and then ending meditation by gently bringing your awareness back. Wiggle your fingers and open eyes when ready, for those of us that close our eyes when we meditate. So, as you can see from all of these different products here, the great meditation cushion, the tips and tricks cards, the chakra book, the singing bowl, our minimalist Buddha, our lavender pillow, so many amazing things in such a little kit. And when I'm on the go, if I am just doing a carry-on, everything on this table is coming with me. If I'm packing a bag and checking it, I can squish my meditation cushion in there as well. So many different ways to use this, whether you're a practitioner or a teacher or a coach, or just want to broaden your meditation practice and learn a little bit more about it. I would definitely recommend this. Thanks again to the brand for letting me give this a try.